Good morning, mates. Nickaway here, south side of Bob Hall Pier. Beautiful morning, absolute stunning sunrise. Water clarity's improved no end. Going to put that as high as an 8. You've got 3 or 4 sets. There's still good height to it. Going to say good 4 to 5 footers out there, but it is improving. We've got a high pressure over us currently. There is a low to the north. That's going to come through tomorrow morning. Last most of the day, could be a bit of rain, but the winds are still predicted to be light and from the southeast, which could make it a good pump day. You're going to pick up reds as well. Anyhow, sea temperature is now 79, just right. Air temperature is 80. My prediction was tomorrow is going to be good, and I'm still holding with that. You're going to have a bit of rain, but with these water conditions, you should be able to pick up fish, and you're not made of sugar. Anyhow, beautiful day, really nice, glad to be out here. Don't forget, we've got a seminar on the Pompano Saturday. We're going to be doing it live on YouTube, and we do appreciate if you subscribe, it does help. You're going to check this drone footage out. As you can see, there's still a lot of water behind the island. That's what I believe is making it so there's no coquina on the beach. I think the fresh water's coming out and the coquina are moving out. Beautiful sunrise picture as well. Stay safe. This is Nickaway from Breakaway with your best damn surf fishing report and the coolest shirts. Catch you later, mates.